I love these old rocks. You know, I've often said these rocks tell a story. Gazillions of years of history and change and trauma and healing, all contained in these rocks. They talk to you. If you know how to, oh my God, a frog. Oh, he went away. Did y'all see the little froggy? Let me see if I can get closer. Hello, froggy. Nope, he's way down in his little hole there. Anyway, there's a frog. Anyway. You know, I again regret not taking more geology courses in college because it's fascinating. Every line on these rocks means something. Everything tells a story. And if you stand real close, you can feel their story. Even if you can't read it and you can't hear it, you can feel it. You can feel the story. Eons and eons of life in these rocks. So there's your daily dose of minor mysticism.